In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can move a chart on Share a Chart like in TradingView. So basically, the first thing that we want to do is to go ahead and navigate through the global settings, because if we click on our chart right here, we can then see that we are unable to move our chart like on TradingView. Inside global settings, look for the tool setting, and from here we are going to add some couple of settings. You want to click on general, and from here you want to select the after single tool use change to, you want to change it to hand, because after using a single tool it will then automatically set it to hand right here. Another one is the right click exits current drawing tool. Once again, you want to set it to hand. And finally, we then have the last two, which is going to be the adjust regions tool, always active with current tool, and the support vertical scaling movement with hand tool. You want to make sure that these settings are set to yes. After clicking on the apply all button, we are now able to move our chart freely here on Share a Chart. So here it is right here. Now, before you go ahead and move your chart, you want to make sure to simply select hand. It's going to be Alt H for keyboard shortcuts. Let's go ahead and try it with another chart right here. And then with this one. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.